guys, how can you fix this problem on your Bolt app? So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down here, just keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Bolt app, or just click on search here. Then here add Bolt app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on force stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down here, click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store here. So click here on Play Store. Then you search for Bolt app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update. Click on it. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like.